Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the Ulinek 100 meter. And in that 100 meter of range, there are built-in 1000 LED spots. That's an awesome fairy lights. And you can see, it's a long way through the garden here. 100 meters. That's cool. It's a Christmas string lights for outdoor and of course for indoor decoration. With the diamond-shaped lamps, lights in warm white, and of course we have 8 modes. IP44 waterproof, that means you can use it outdoor, baby, that's awesome. It's a plug-in lightning low voltage for the Christmas tree or garden or patio or where you like. And you can see it's really bright because you can see it's only one line here and it makes a good job, a really good job. This is unique Christmas decoration. 100 of meters string lights with 1000 LEDs of diamond shape. The spacing of each two string lights is 10 centimeter with 3 meter of power wire. Each bead of the diamond-shaped LED lamp is composite by 13 faces, where the light can refract multiple times so that the light rays focus easily, showing better light effects. They will make our Christmas tree, if this Christmas tree is really big, because of the 100 meter of range here. But it's possible to buy that not with a so big range, okay? Or you have a 3 meter Christmas tree, then you can use that. They will make this fairy light will make our Christmas tree, for example, more bright, perfect for creating a comfortable, tranquil, and romantic atmosphere. But before we have to install it, I'm going to get it into my gun, and you can see it's really easy because there is a big helping thing on it to roll it up and roll around the garden, and then it's job's done and we can have a look what it looks at the night. At the night there are 8 lightning modes for us to choose to meet more needs. We can choose 2 classic, chic, and fashionable lights, among which we can choose these preferences to match on different occasions. Besides, the memory effect allows our cluster lights to turn back on in the last mode chosen, as a touchful design for us. These LED fairy lights will be a unique decoration in the dark of the night to bring us more joy and light into the dark. The string lights are CE certified to ensure our quality is good in our product here. And of course, the safety should be good. Oh, yeah, that it is. Composed by 1000 LEDs, light emitted diodes, these low voltage Christmas lights can save much more energy than others out there. Moreover, the LEDs do not heat up even after switching on for a long time. The soft light accompanies us all night long, safer for our children or pets. So we can place it indoors and of course we can place it outdoors for all seasons. These string lights are rolled up in a plastic wheel, and that's really easy to organize. Therefore, there's no need to worry about the cable being entangled and difficult to manage. In this package, there are 50 20 centimeter plastic ties which we can install our fairy lights more easily and at the same time extend the service life. We can fix them on the house, garden, store, balcony, on the door, windows, trees, or walls, or ceiling to create a unique evening and show our personality. Because our personality is awesome, so we should show our neighbors that too. They focus on the quality and refinement of each lamp and set the strict manufacturing standards just for us customers. Ulinek is the professional brand of LED lighting decorations for more than 5 years, fully understanding the needs of the customers for decoration of Christmas trees or Christmas as well, New Year, wedding, etc. Every year, the Ulinek brand develops new products and continually enriches the kind of fairy lights for customers. The warm white, multicolored gold with dark, transparent wire. What you like, you can choose. In 10 meter, 25, 40, 50, or in this case 100 meters, the curtain lights, the window lights, the LED luminous brass, whatever, they can build it and make an awesome decoration for us. European design patent, ultra bright, safe to touch, and IP44 waterproof. The night is the best time to create a new marvelous world by ourselves, to show our own lifestyle and impassable taste, to ignite our passion, and to share the joy with all loved warmth. The Ulinek diamond-shaped string lights helps us to bright our world in the night with more brilliant and elegant lights to receive the happiness in the quiet city. Then we can decorate our home with the fantastic and the most unique lights. Oh, this dark green PVC jacket are better for the dark backgrounds of the Christmas tree decorations. These garlands are rolled up in a plastic coil. It's easy to organize, of course. There are 50 20 centimeter ribbons with which we can install these fairy lights more easily and at the same time extend service life too, and the low power consumption, high performance. The working lifespan reaches over 50,000 hours. And the copper wire is flexible, which allows it to bend into different shapes as we want. And this is an awesome decoration, widely used in Christmas party, festival, wedding, palm, bedroom, supermarket, coffees, bars, as well as flower crown, trees, at the park, etc., etc., etc. We enjoy 8 different lighting effects, combination in waves, sequential, slow glow, chasing, flash, slow fade, twinkle, flash, steady on, of course, and it looks really cool. Oh yeah. Each diamond-shaped lamp is composite by 13 faces where the LED light can refract multiple times so their rays focus easily and showing an amazing lightning effect. And it's sort of for awesome Christmas lights. The ultra bright string fairy lights with the good quality, little possibility of breaking, high luminance, high temperature resistance, and these outdoor Christmas string lights are IP44 waterproof. We do never worry about damage or a short circuit. Either for Christmas garden party, wedding decorations, what you like. Magnificent decoration, 2100K color temperature, more natural and softer. It takes us to a more comfortable and appropriated atmosphere, whether outdoor or indoor. The luminous decor is not only a lamp, but a sweetness of the heart and also a warmth that attracts others. And it's easy. Get it in position. Make the power supply and choose your mode. 8 modes available and the memory function on top. That's the awesome Ulinek 100 meter with 1000 LEDs fairy lights. It's a Christmas string lights for outdoor and of course for indoor decoration with diamond shaped lamps. It's a warm white light with 8 modes and IP44, a plug-in version. This is a good low voltage lighting for the Christmas tree, for a garden, as you can see, for patio, etc, etc, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.